How to get Delta Airlines baggage receipt. Getting a baggage receipt from Delta Airlines is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to obtain your baggage receipt. Number 1. Visit the Delta Airlines website. Open your web browser and go to the official Delta Airlines website, which is www.delta.com. Second, navigate to My Trips. Look for the My Trips or My Reservation section on the website's homepage. Click on it to access your booking information. Number 3. Log in. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to log in using your Delta SkyMiles account or your booking reference and last name. Number 4. Access your trip. Once logged in, find and select the specific flight reservation for which you need the baggage receipt. Number 5. View receipts. Within your reservation details, there should be an option to view or print receipts. This may vary slightly based on Delta's website layout, but you are typically looking for a section related to receipts, charges, or fees. Number 6. Locate baggage receipt. In the receipt section, you should find the subsection specifically related to baggage fees. Locate and click on the link or button that allows you to view or download your baggage receipt. Number 7. Download or print. Depending on the format provided, you can choose to download the receipt as a PDF file or print it directly from your browser. So there's some easy process for getting a baggage receipt from Delta Airlines, and as always, signing out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.